There are a handful of different materials that windows are made out of. Each one can be good in its own right. Vinyl windows. Big pro on vinyl windows is that they can be affordable and low maintenance. Vinyl windows offer good insulation, but they can be less durable in extreme climates. As you know, Colorado can tend to be a more extreme climate. Composite windows are made out of a blend of wood and resin type of products. The reason people will go with composite is that you get increased durability while still saving on the cost of the window. Composite windows tend to be more expensive than vinyl, but also can give you increased durability and design options, better flexibility there. You're gonna get about the same energy efficiency. A stronger, more durable product than composite windows would be a true fiberglass window. Fiberglass windows, you're going to get extreme durability and energy efficiency. Fiberglass windows do come at an increased cost, but with lower maintenance and higher durability. You're really gonna get that longevity out of a fiberglass window. You're going to get that energy efficiency. The durability factor is off the charts. But again, sometimes you're gonna get some limitations when it comes to design and aesthetic. In line with energy efficiency, you want to be thinking about what kind of coatings are getting applied to the glass. These can increase the cost, but in the long run, decrease the cost of your window replacement project by helping you with your energy bills. Installation complexity can definitely have an impact on the cost. If you have a really big window that's going to be very heavy, that's going to have an increased installation cost. If you've got that big window on a third story where we can only access it with scaffolding on the inside, ladders on the outside, that's going to increase the cost. So those are things to think about as far as impacting your budget. Generally, in Colorado's harsh climate, we recommend fiberglass windows or wood windows. Both fiberglass windows and wood windows are available from Pella. Beautiful, durable windows. Pella's Impervia windows are a high quality, very durable, very strong window. In fact, it is one of the strongest windows on the market. Pella's wood lines, the Lifestyle and the Reserve windows, are going to be not only durable, but high energy efficiency and top tier when it comes to aesthetics. Those are beautiful windows that are going to give you the best bang for your buck. Energy efficiency. This is another thing to think about, another consideration when considering our climate in Colorado. Look for windows that are insulated with an argon gas and coated with something like advanced low E or advanced low E comfort. These coatings and the insulation is going to help you with avoiding heat loss in the winter, avoiding heat gain in the summer. Windows with strong seals and weatherproofing are going to withstand Colorado's harsh climate, the wind, the rain, the snow. They're going to be durable. An important consideration is to think about the weather resistance. But if you've got double pane windows and you're getting buildup in between them, you're getting condensation in between, that's a good indication that it's time to replace the windows. You definitely want to look at the windows closely. You want to make sure that the condensation is not building up on the outside of the window. If that's happening, that's normal. That means your windows are insulating your home. But if you have checked and the condensation is on the inside, it means that the seal has failed. Those windows are not insulating your home and it is time to replace them. Cracked or warped frames can happen as windows age. If you're looking at your windows, you see that you have vinyl that is warping or wood that is warping and cracking. Those windows are not protecting your home anymore. Your energy efficiency is through the floor. It's time to replace those windows. Any construction project can be messy. That said, Bellwether takes a lot of proactive steps to avoid the mess to protect your home. We're gonna wear booties over our shoes. We're gonna put ram board down in the walkways. We're gonna put sheet plastic over things. We're gonna drape it to protect certain areas. The goal here is to protect the inside of your home. Is there gonna be some spillage on the outside? Yes. That said, we're gonna do our best to really clean up the exterior as well as the interior, get all of that construction debris cleaned up as best possible, and get your home put back together in a way that makes it beautiful. One of the things we like to tell homeowners is that we can, depending on the complexity, install upwards of between 5 and 10 windows a day. So how many windows do you have for us to replace? If you've got 5 windows or if you've got 45 windows, we can handle that project. How can you prepare for when we're getting ready to come out? Again, just like we say with siding, take pictures off of the walls, move furniture at least 3 feet away from any access area, any walkway, and any window that we're gonna be working on, and clear the space as best you can. If there are important valuables that you're afraid of getting knocked over, well, just go ahead and put those away. Bellwether cares a lot about not just protecting your home, but protecting your budget. So we're gonna find ways to do your windows at an affordable cost.